FIT21 just passed the House. Today is a huge milestone for crypto regulation in the US because the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act provides market structure. What that means is that it defines what is under the jurisdiction of the SEC and what is under the jurisdiction of the CFTC and some of the rules that decentralized networks and digital assets must meet to be compliant. As we know all too well, regulatory uncertainty and regulation by enforcement has been a major problem in the industry. So despite some legitimate concerns with the bill, today is a really good day for the crypto industry. So let's talk about why FIT21 is good for the DePIN sector in particular. The bill includes two key definitions: restricted digital assets and digital assets. These categories create a clear and legal path for decentralized infrastructure networks to raise money using tokens, how networks will be classified as functional and decentralized, and when they would fall under the SEC or the CFTC. Restricted digital assets can raise up to $75 million in a year and have lighter disclosure requirements compared to traditional securities, but they still fall under the jurisdiction of the SEC, whereas digital assets are under the jurisdiction of the CFTC and do not require ongoing disclosure filings. But here's the key. Once a network is certified as decentralized, it can transition from a restricted digital asset to a digital asset. The bill uses a morphology approach, which recognizes that nothing can start decentralized, but it can become decentralized. This means that a network can start as a restricted digital asset and then morph into a digital asset as it meets the criteria. There are some legitimate concerns with this bill, but we will address them as it continues through the process. For today, we celebrate this huge milestone for crypto regulation in the US. This is DePIN Thought. Subscribe if you support Web3.